Skinwalker howls, the sound of fear. Picture this, a cold, desolate night in the wilderness. Suddenly, an unearthly howl pierces the silence, so chilling it feels alive, crawling under your skin. Is it an animal, or something far more sinister? For centuries, tales of the Skinwalker, a shape-shifting terror from Native American lore, have spread fear. Witnesses claim they've heard its harrowing cries, a sound unlike anything heard before or since. Now, we'll play a piece of this horrifying mystery for you. Here it comes, but we warn you, the howls are not just sounds, they are fear itself. Can you make it through? Hit play and brave the legend.